How to transcribe a voice memo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. The Voice Memos app is a built-in tool for recording audio. It allows for quick and easy recording, editing, and sharing of voice memos. Recordings can be edited, renamed, and shared via various methods like email or messaging. You are now in the All Recordings page where you can view all your recordings. From here, tap on the recording you want to transcribe. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner of the recording. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the transcribe icon. As you can see, the words in this voice memo are now being converted into written text. You can repeat this to transcribe the other voice memos as well. Following these steps, you can easily transcribe a voice memo on iPhone.